the RCB should be held responsible, and there is an element of criminality as well to the culpability here, that a team took these independent calls to summon people like this. But can the administration at this point in time be totally let off? Even if there was a call by a team, shouldn't they have stopped it? Shouldn't they have said, no, you can't do this, this will be too risky, it's too short a turnaround period?
Exactly, what you're saying is absolutely right. They should have absolutely denied, they should have said no to the celebration, because the police had immediately, they had told that they'll not be able to handle the crowd because they don't have the logistic numbers of how much of the crowd is going to be gathered over there. And all the police were absolutely tired, doing the patrolling of the celebration on the previous night. And the question here is, when they're doing the blame game for the RCB, for the DNA and the Karnataka State Cricket Association, they are not taking any blame on themselves. Let us be very clear, the Congress has been always doing this blame game when it comes to the Election Commission, when it comes to the EV machines, when it comes to the Supreme Court, and now it is Virat Kohli and all these organizations. My question is, why did the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, and the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, tweet that all of you joined for the celebration? And when Mr. D.K. Shivkumar wanted to celebrate in the stadium, Siddaramaiah took no step behind to say that they're going to celebrate on the steps of the Vidhan Sabha. Let me tell you, today, after the 2 years of this government, there's a coalition government. There are two people, that is Mr. Siddaramaiah and Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who want to take the credit for all the victories over here. It was as if they have won the RCB after 17 years. But when this unfortunate event has taken place, where 11 innocent children and people have lost their life, they are absolutely into escape routes. This is not accepted. They should have been equally responsible, saying that this cannot be handled, when they knew how difficult it is going to be, because I had seen the earlier day celebration as well. So Congress has always been knowing for the blame game what they've been playing, and now the commission, what they have found, it is very important. The Khanna and the Nagamohan Das commission, we already knew what report they're going to give, because see, almost all the cases, this is the same legal commission which is being formed, because they are going to give this tailor-made report of what the government wants. That is what has been happening till date. And now that the suo motu case has been registered by the High Court, and they gave the reports in the sealed envelopes, it was not absolutely required, because they know they're doing something wrong over there. That's the reason they gave it in the sealed reports. And now that it is come open, now they're blaming Virat Kohli also for this matter. How ridiculous it is. They know how to take the circumstantial benefit, and how they have been manipulative in all the cases over here. And especially this, they should have been sympathetic. And the commissioner, the most innocent and efficient Dalit commissioner, Dayanand sir, due respect to him, he was suspended. They don't take any step to cut throat of anybody's when it comes to they being charged for any of the thing. Take it the Muda case, take it Valmiki Nigam, or take it anything.
Let me also get a response